hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Yes, so people, big up. Don't know what's a NEWLINK there, no people, you understand? They are from NEWLINK production, easy and relax. All them like a thing blow up on me and thing in the day, yeah. Well, don't know what's there. From the other day, we're not doing an upload and thing on the channel, you know what I mean? Decide to you're going to take a look at break and thing. Get me as the people because, you know what I mean? We need a break sometime. We do need a time to relax, looking at ourselves and everything. And you don't know, because of certain vibes and thing, with YouTube and overall, you know what I mean? So, we decide that, you know, best sometimes we can just ease down, you know what I mean? Even though we not give the people them the news what we currently do and talk about things that been happening in Jamaica and everything, you know what I mean, or around the world and analyze it our way, but don't know people what they are seeing we're seeing. And today I'm really gonna talk about the soldier there, that are the JDF soldier, who the man them cut down in a Clarendon, son the people, and yo, me I tell you, know, people, boy, it's serious, but serious, really serious. Saying really serious for people on a level. But here what I go on now, right? This soldier now, 25-year-old, a JDF private. You get me as a people? He's a private. And boy, in a Clarendon, in a district in a Clarendon, people, they said that this soldier, because him not live there no more, you get me? But him decides he might take a trip, go look for him family. That a Sunday gone, people, to the hour, Tuesday, Sunday gone. He decides he might take a trip, go look for him family, so him go check him family and thing in a Clarendon, and him see him look apart there. Check him family, relax, them have a good time in the Sunday. Meow up some Sunday food, drink up some carrot juice or some soursop juice and thing. You know what I mean? Because them know no, so them family come look for them, which is a private soldier, and them come look for them. Them feel good, everybody happy to see him, so them have a good time, eat up some nice food and thing, you get me? Well, decide so now, time I reach 9 night, I get late, so I'm going to take a look, stop down at one garage you know, people. You get me? It's a garage, I'm going to take a look, stop, cause him leave the family, man. I say, you know what? Later Uncle John, later Auntie Pam, later Mums, later that, later everybody. I'm make a move now, but something where him take a stop at a garage, people, and I'm there at the garage at about 10 minutes past 8 o'clock, right? At about that time, when him did the people, 2 bike man just drive up them bike. Vroom, vroom, vroom. You know the bike them going, yeah, and people, them fire several shots hitting the soldier all over him body. Him drop on the spot, people say him rush him to hospital, pronounced dead. He's 25 years old. And look into this thing, people, all I know I'm going to say right now is my deepest condolences to the family of this 25-year-old JDF private soldier. You get me? In the end, he's a target. He was targeted. In the end, these killers get information and everything, because if them did want done him at the family house, them could have guarded the family yard and done him if they want. They could go there and do everything at the family yard. But in the end, maybe they don't want no family member to be no casualty of this, because they have a problem with this soldier or what they coming. They know what eventually caused this and why they targeted him. But NEWLINK don't know the full reason why they targeted this soldier. Get me answer, my people. But in the end now, Zine, as I go tell you now, this man was, yo, may I tell you people, he was targeted. At the garage, other people there at the garage, man a fix car, man a do something this and them not know nobody at the garage, nothing, but just the soldier. The bike man get all the information, where he is located, what he is doing, what time to do it, how them a go plan it, how them a make it happen, and them just do it and it happen. But you know NEWLINK I got to say right now, my people, on a real level, boy, things turn up a yard, on a real level. And in the end, we have to try as live as clean as possible as we can be. You know what I mean? Try our best not in problems with people. Try our best to stay away from trouble. You know what I mean? And sometimes it's best when you can have less people in your circle, meaning like friends and them things, because sometimes, you know, your own friend can cause your life, because you could just be partying with a man You know, do something with a man, but because this brother you know go mess up himself in a something, it be an effect on you and it affect you, which you have to play the victim for this man. You get me? Even innocent family members too sometimes play the victim of this. But all the NEWLINK cancer people, it's a tough things. It's a tough things that go on. You know what I mean? Really tough things. Not a good look. Not a good look. Yeah, man. You know, the whole JDF I'm on right now. The whole family members them I'm on now. The whole government system I'm on. So them just bury Papa Eddie there and a soldier just play the victim the same day when them bury man. That was Sunday later and the same Sunday. A soldier after being a victim was later also who life was taken or cut short. You know what I mean? But in the end, people, we have to live good. We have to really live good. So we there hear people in the beautiful Turks and Caicos giving thanks as usual. Like you can see, it's a beautiful day. I have to there under that beautiful tree or cool off. It's a very nice tree, people, and the breeze are blow. You get me, my bridge, you know what they say, tilt him can't see me, and you can see the whole big old supermarket over there. That's the Graceway supermarket, you know what I mean? They here relaxing. It's a beautiful day, man. The body does go work, people are drive, people are relax and everything. Beautiful environment. See a nice flowers there right there, so see them with people. Very nice flowers, you know what I mean? In the end, boy, you see how those flowers just blooming and pretty. But wish some mankind art could have just stay clean and pretty like the flowers. You know what I mean? Nobody with the fuss, nobody with the fight, nobody with the envy, the grudge against each one another. Everybody does live free, does live clean, does live happy. You know what I mean, people? Because at the end of the day, you know, people, as when NEWLINK go tell every man, you know, we may kill her for our brothers and kill her for our sisters and fight against our brothers and fight against our sisters. But at the end of the day, people, we all going to leave all of these one day, you know. See them there? The cars, them, all different type of car you can see, from Avalanche to Honda to all of them, Wrangler, every damn thing you can look and you see there, people. But at the end of the day, we're going to leave all of this one day. We can't carry them with we, and they are all vanities. You know what I mean? But one thing we always hear about this from we growing up and coming. Whether you don't believe or you believe, they always tell us about that kingdom after. You know what I mean? So that the day, that's where we all plan to go after. So we have to just try to best live as clean as possible as we can be with a clean and a good heart. See the people? Everybody free will. The butterfly flying, the sky is pretty over there and everything. We have to try to be more vigilant to the thing. Try to be more focused, you know what I mean? And keep strong. My viewers and my subscribers, you don't know this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. You don't know, 5 days since I do an upload. So I upload. Now stop attack people. We say attack people. Not in a violence way, not in a bad way, but attack with the news. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And if you don't subscribe as yet, please subscribe now. And please hit that notification bell icon. So as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. My viewers, my subscribers, peace, love. I'm out. Stay good, stay blessed. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting, and keep remember, YouTube monetize my video them now. I'm ready, I'm back.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.